The VW ID.4 key fob uses a CR2032 battery. This is the CR2032 lithium battery that powers your key fob. When your fob stops working reliably, such as showing key not detected errors or failing to lock or unlock, it's likely time for a replacement. You'll need a new CR2032 battery and a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool. These batteries typically last 1 to 2 years. The process involves prying open the key fob. Use a pry tool to gently open the case. Remove the old battery carefully. Insert the new battery with the positive side facing up. Snap the case back together and test the fob. Incorrectly opening the case can damage the internal components, so be gentle. First, locate the small indentation on the side of the ID.4 key fob. This is where you'll insert your pry tool. Insert your pry tool into the indentation and gently twist to separate the two halves of the case. Be careful not to force it. Pop out the old CR2032 battery using your pry tool or finger. Then insert the new battery, ensuring it's securely fitted and properly oriented with the positive side up. Snap the two halves of the case back together. Make sure it's securely closed. Test the key fob by locking and unlocking the car. If it works, you're done. If the key fob doesn't work immediately, enter the vehicle and use the ignition button to reprogram it. Consult your owner's manual or the VW app for detailed instructions. Remember to use genuine CR2032 batteries to avoid compatibility problems. Doing this replacement yourself saves significantly compared to paying for dealer service.